really fucking awkward. It's really awkward when you're driving. You have a fat camera. I'll probably put a picture in now of what it looks like. Yeah, you keep looking, buddy. You keep looking. My name's Alistair. I drive a 13 plate Audi A3 8V. It's a 3-door in Daytona Grays. You've probably seen the video washing the car. Well, Audi A3, whatever. Washing the car. I did it with a friend, Aramis, aa.media. I'll drop his link in the bio. He has a very similar car to me, except a 5-door. But anyway, as you've probably seen with my channel is very car-based. Hopefully we'll be doing a lot more car-related videos in the near future. I do have a few videos planned, from obviously like ride-alongs, tutorials, just a whole host of things, really. And I'm just hoping that obviously I can get something interesting out. I did create the channel because when I was looking for the cars, you probably didn't know, I'm 18 years old, I've just turned 18. I was looking to Audis, and especially like A3s. And while there are a few obviously A3 videos out there, there aren't particularly a lot of them. So I just thought, they are kind of popular cars, people do look at them, but there aren't a lot of videos, so I'm thinking, you know, maybe I'll put that out. I'm a bit camera shy. I may seem a bit awkward, but obviously give me time. From people who I've spoken to who do videos, they said your channel builds with your confidence. Hopefully I should become less awkward and a bit more like animated.
Mr. Sandman,
Yes?
bring us a dream. Give him a pair of eyes with a come hither gleam. Give him a lonely heart like Pagliacci, and lots of wavy hair like Liberace.
Yeah, straight from limbo. Yeah. I'm lying in the jungle, fucking cheetahs on the run, burning reefer, catching preachers in the bleachers with the nuns. Fuck your features, I'm the one. The sun is in my gold cup, kissing on the rum, hold my levy fucking hose up. Funds will make you blow up, laugh because it's possible. My optical illusions as a student was an obstacle. Had to break the fuck out, dropping on my truck now. Fuck your corny teams, those horny fiends want all our drug routes. Guess we got the plug now. Diamonds got the dope, bitch. In it for the bread, so your music always loafs, bitch. Faith in my own shit took me out to Jupiter. Feeling like I'm God, no facade, selling Lucifer my dreams. And I drew the first scheme a long time ago. Ape shit, make shit.